Only a true plant lover can understand this kind of pain. My beloved grapevine, which I had grown with years of patience, care, and unconditional love, was attacked by pests and slowly destroyed. What hurts the most is not just losing a plant, but losing something that had become a part of my daily life. Every morning I checked its leaves, every evening I made sure it was safe, and with every new shoot, my heart filled with quiet joy. I watched it grow season after season, trained its vines, protected it from harsh sunlight, heavy winds, and changing weather. I celebrated its smallest growth as a big achievement, dreaming of the day it would be full of healthy leaves and fruit. That vine carried my time, my effort, and my emotions. Seeing it fade away so helplessly is heartbreaking. When something you nurture like family suddenly dies, it leaves behind silence and emptiness. It feels like years of hard work vanish in front of your eyes, leaving you with nothing but memories and questions. For many people, it may seem like just a plant, but for a plant lover, it is a companion, a teacher of patience, and a symbol of hope. Losing it this way leaves a deep, invisible wound, one that only another plant lover can truly understand.